How to upload status on WhatsApp web on PC. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Now, open a new tab. Head towards this website, chromewebstore.google.com. You will be directed to this page. Now you'll need to add an extension, WhatsApp Plus. After you get this extension, add this extension to the Chrome by clicking on the option of Add to Chrome. Click on Continue to install. Click on Add extension. Once completion of its installation process, head towards the WhatsApp tab. Now at the very top, you'll see this Reload this page icon. Click on that. Once you reload this page, you will be directed to this page where you're gonna find different option. Clicking on this icon given at the top, you'll find the option of Post Status. Now click on that option. Now, just like in mobile device, you are able to add status through your PC. You can upload the image or you can type in the text and upload it as status on your WhatsApp web. So this is how you can easily upload status on WhatsApp web on PC. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.